This 2019 Newmar Bay Star 3124 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Whitecap, Harbour Glazed Maple interior, sleeps 5, self-contained, refrigerator, skylight, water heater, external shower, air conditioning, TV antenna, slideout, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment. This 2019 Newmar Bay Star 3124 is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton 6.8 LV10 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.